Thank you, Minty and Pinkie Pie, darlings.
Now what? I know! While we wait for the breezes, will you tell us another rainbow story?
Another one, darlings? Oh, all right.
Now a rainbow's tale isn't quite as nice as the story we knew of sugar and spice.
Where do rainbows come from?
I'll explain it to you, dear. They are made, well, somewhere. I imagine it's not here.
You know so much about rainbows.
Of course I do, darling. If I don't know all about rainbows, who would?
Do you know how they're made?
Well, darlings, there are some things we're not supposed to know.